Hello, travel enthusiast. Welcome to WeVisa. We specialize in tourist e-visas, ensuring a smooth application process from start to finish. What is Indonesian e-visa? The Indonesia EVOA, electronic visa on arrival, is an online visa system that allows eligible travelers to get a visa before their arrival in Indonesia. It offers a convenient and time-saving option for those who want to skip the traditional visa on arrival process at the airport. Goodbye queues. One of the many benefits of this visa is that it allows you to travel by air, sea, or land. The Indonesia EVOA allows you to do many different activities: tourism, government visits, attend business meetings, purchase goods, transit in Indonesia. However, you are not allowed to work in Indonesia on this visa or attend events as a paid speaker. Am I eligible to apply for an Indonesian e-visa? To be eligible for the Indonesia EVOA, you must stay in Indonesia for visit purposes only, have enough funds to cover your stay in Indonesia, comply with all visa conditions and Indonesian laws. You can show a return onward ticket from Indonesia. How to apply by yourself? The visa application process only takes around 15 minutes. To get the Indonesia visa on arrival online, just follow the 3 simple steps below. Step 1. Fill out your basic details and travel information on our website. Then, choose your processing time based on your budget and needs. Step 2. Double-check your info and continue to do the visa fee payment. You can pay with a credit debit card or PayPal. Step 3. Upload all required documents, fill out any other required info, and submit your application. We will contact you if we need any more information about your application. Once the EVOA is approved within the chosen timeframe, you will receive the confirmation via email. It is recommended to have an electronic and printed copy of the visa confirmation to show on arrival in Indonesia. E-visa application requirements. Only need the following documents for the online application of the Indonesia EVOA. A copy of your valid passport. Make sure it is valid for at least 6 months from your arrival date in Indonesia. A passport-size photo. Indonesia EVOA costs and processing times. The cost of the Indonesia EVOA may vary depending on your nationality. When applying through US, it includes the WeVisa processing fee and a visa fee charged by the Indonesian government. The total cost is paid online during the application process for your convenience. We typically offer 3 different processing times. Standard processing. This is the most affordable option, but can take longer. It's perfect for those who have booked their Indonesian holiday far in advance. Rush processing. For those who need their visa a bit sooner, this option offers a faster processing time for an additional fee. Super rush processing. If you need your Indonesia visa on arrival as soon as possible, choose this option for an express fee. The processing time for the Indonesia EVOA is usually quick, with most applications processed within a few business days. However, it is advisable to apply well in advance to allow for any unforeseen delays. WeVisa offers a seamless solution for obtaining Indonesian e-visas, making your travel plans easier and more convenient. Our user-friendly platform allows you to apply for your travel e-visa online, ensuring a quick and efficient process. With WeVisa, you can securely submit your application, track its status, and receive your e-visa electronically, all from the comfort of your home. Our dedicated support team is here to assist you at every step, so you can focus on enjoying your trip to Indonesia. You can apply through WeVisa.world at any time. Application tips. Double-check your information. Confirm that your details, such as your name, date of birth, and passport number, are exactly as they appear on your passport. Quality of your passport photo. Your photo should be recent, clear, and in color, with a pure white background. Avoid wearing hats or sunglasses. Check your application thoroughly. Before submitting your application, check your application for any errors. Apply early. Start the application process well in advance of your planned travel date. Avoid rushing your application. Check the validity of your documents. Answer all questions completely. Incomplete answers can be a red flag. Make sure each question is answered completely and accurately.